Hey y'all, it's your girl Shayna Violet and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this Glueless 5x5 20-inch body wave lace closure wig from Luvmehair. This wig is completely beginner friendly and is definitely giving that blowout look that we love. So this is the box that everything came in, and they actually sent me 2 wigs, so y'all stay tuned for that video. I'll make sure to link it down below once it's up. Now this little mirror is so tea. This is the first time I've gotten something other than a wig cap and an edge brush that I would actually use, so shout outs to them for that. Here is the wig, and I have to point out that this is supposed to be an undetectable invisible lace, and it's giving just that. Now I did do some bleaching to the knots off camera and it took very well, so you can definitely bleach it. This is the construction on the inside. There's an adjustable band, and that is essentially what makes the glueless concept work for this wig. I'm going to be installing this wig twice for you guys just because once I look back at the first video, I felt like the closure was still giving a little wiggy even though I plucked it a ton. Plus, I wasn't in love with the curls. I felt like I could do better, and I definitely redeemed myself the second time around. So let's get right into it. I've never actually tried a glueless install, y'all, and I know, like, how does that even make sense? It's giving you should be able to do this wig in less than 10 minutes, so I'm gonna see if that's the case. And also because it's a closure wig, y'all, I got my glasses on today. I believe they're from Vogue Me, and I have the video where I do like a little try on haul of all the glasses that they sent me, so that will be up here. So y'all can go check that out if y'all are really feeling my glasses and get a little closer. Yeah. Now you can certainly do a bald cap with this wig, but it really is not necessary, and you'll see why really soon. This band gets really small, so if you have a pea-sized head, if you got a freaking dinosaur head, it is gonna fit you, trust and believe. I mean like, what? The frig? What the frig? I don't know why I'm so shocked that this actually worked, but y'all, this is really glueless. What the frig? And this is no foundation, no nothing. Like, yeah, it's giving no wig cap, to be quite honest. Well, I mean, at this point, I might as well just get cute because this wig about to be on at 2.5. For the install, I'm putting foundation on the lace, and then I'm clipping the 2 straps in the back together just to make it more secure. Like, can we get into the eliteness of this lace? Like, it's giving all types of scalp, and you're gonna keep hearing that from me, but it's the truth, and you guys know it. Now, you know we had to do the comb test with the lace still cut, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like once the lace is cut as well. Let's pray these curls look like how I envisioned them to look, and these layers giving the layers that I envisioned, the layers to layer. Am I the only one who can never get my curls to match? Comment down below if this also happens to you. And what's crazy is I usually curl my wigs on my mannequin head, so it should be the same because I'm literally looking at it from, you know, a regular angle, but I don't know, it just never comes out the same. I do have to say, like, the only thing that sucks about closure wigs is when the wind blows and you're just like, woo. You're just like, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened there. But I guess the way you curl it kind of helps. And, you know, I just be walking with my head down and just call it a day. And that's just that on that. So here's the back view, and now we're about to go into install number 2, and we like to call that the golden install. I feel like now it's giving scalp, so I'm excited. I have washed, recurled her, and I did a different curl this time. I used my wand curl because I wanted to see what the curls is gonna give. All right, so I'm gonna put on some edge control just because you just never know what that wind outside is going to be doing, so we just gonna edge control ourselves up right now. Oh, y'all see that swoop? Immaculate. Can we get into this face though? Because I really did that today. Baby girl is giving, it's giving MUA. Now these braids is giving Miss Seeley, but that's none of y'all business. All right, here is another look at the closure. As you can see, it looks a lot more natural this time around. what I used to do was just put my actual foundation because I'm like, oh, it's gonna look the same. But what I have seen on the interweb is that you should use a color that's darker, a shade or two darker than your actual color, because the lace obviously already has its own color. And then in my opinion, I feel like my forehead is always darker because I put like contour and bronzer. I put everything up there, so it's always a little bit darker. So any way I look at it, it's not gonna be like this. It's not gonna be this color at all. So I've been doing the shade darker, and I'm telling y'all, it really does make a difference. Do y'all see that? You see how it's giving just actual skin, and this is 2 shades darker. Oh, now my edge is coming up already. You see how edges be doing you? The ghetto. I just want you guys to see. Do y'all see that? That's scalp right there. That is scalp. All right, we're gonna comb out the curls. This is the true test. Y'all see these curls? Ugh. I feel like I always struggle with curling my wigs in a way that frames my face and also fits my head shape. So I was super ecstatic when I got the look that I wanted. I think we got it this time. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think you got it this time. So I wanted to add more volume, so I'm taking my Got2b spray and lightly spraying it while holding my hair up so it kind of freezes it in that general area. You don't want to use a spray that's too strong because then it'll be stuck like Chuck, and when you comb it out, it'll get white flakes. And I know this because when I curled it the first time around, I did a test run with different sprays and ended up having to wash my wig because I sprayed entirely too much of my really strong holding spray, etc., and I'm rambling, but it just really makes the wig super crunchy, and we don't want that. This is cute, guys. See, this is why I need to do it again, because ain't no way I was about to come out here looking like who did it and why with this beautiful wig. Like, y'all deserve so much better than what I was about to give you. Like, come on now. Now, as far as the back, we're not even gonna get into that today. Okay, we're not gonna get into that today because we done sprayed this. Yeah, so we're gonna need that data. Yeah. This time around, the wig wasn't as flat because my braids aren't as flat as last time. I did them myself, and y'all know I'm not a braider, so yeah. But I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to try and at least make it even, as well as bump the front a bit. Then I'm taking my wax stick to just help me melt the flyaways a bit more. You can also use hairspray, but you want to spray it on your hands first, then go in and press those flyaways into the rest of the hair. You know, I was very skeptical when they said, you know, this is a glueless wig. I feel like a lot of people be lying and they be laying their wig down and saying that it's glueless, but it's really not. But this wig is glueless, honey. And this is the final look, y'all. She is giving body. She's giving volume. She's giving everything that we so desired and so needed from this wig. And I just want y'all to get into it because baby girl did that. Whatever happens in the back is its own business. I don't know about that. I can't see back there, so that's, again, none of my business. I am living for this wig. Do you see this volume? I cannot. Honestly, I gotta give myself a pat on the back because she looks amazing. Like I said, the sides and kinked up a little bit, but make sure you do the sides. Don't be like me. Get this wig. The link is down below. Get the wig, please. All right, y'all, so that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as usual. Thumbs this video up if you like what you see. You see, I came back and did this wig again for y'all, okay? This is take 2. Did my makeup over, a new outfit, new day, new hair. Thumbs up the video. Thank you. Anyways, like, thumbs up the video. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling this hair. Like, come on now, is it giving? Because I think it's giving. It's giving. I don't know about y'all, but I'm really getting into closure wigs. Like, I know the first time I did it, it was even, but this time around, I'm like, yeah, this is what I was expecting, and this is the caliber of wigness I need. Like, I needed to give, I just gotta blow out. Make sure to share this with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, whoever you gotta share it with them if they need a nice closure wig like this. Y'all see how easy it was to install this? I did no wig cap, no nothing, and baby girl is giving scout all the way through and through. Virgo season is approaching, September 4th. Same day as Beyonce, but like, who's checking? But yeah, Virgo season approaching, Christmas is approaching, Thanksgiving is approaching. We need gifts. It's giving gift season. So ask Gideon, tell him the link's down below, and tell him to get you this wig. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.